Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we're doing a quick unboxing and overview of the American Silver Eagle Type 2 coins. This came in the mail and I have not seen the Type 2 coins in person myself yet, so it'll be a first for me. I will be doing a more detailed, in-depth comparison video between the Type 1 and Type 2 coins, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll get some nice close-up shots, look at the new design, compare the two designs, and this is the first design change in 35 years of the American Silver Eagle, so it's a pretty big deal. In the meantime, let's go ahead and open the box and take a first look at them. Okay, well, we are ready to unbox this. I actually bought these from JM Bullion. There we go. And there they are. I'm gonna take these out of here. Oh, and I got, cool. They came in a tube. I was expecting them to arrive in flips. I don't think this is a US mint tube, but I'll take a tube over flips any day. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty. Let's get this open here. Actually, I think I can, well, let me cut it. Can I cut it? Or should I take the tape off? There we go. Let's zoom in here just a bit. There we go. So this is really cool. It comes with a tube. It says Silver Eagle. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Alrighty, let's open this up and get our first look. Ah, there it is. There it is. Oh. There is the brand new redesigned reverse. Very nice. And this is the somewhat enhanced obverse. So the mint, we'll be doing a more in-depth video on these, and I'll do a comparison so we can see. I'll get some good macro shots up close and we can really see the detail. For example, one of the new things is this, let's see if I can get that in focus. This new varied edge. It's missing a, took out a reed there. And it's a anti-counterfeiting measure. So, and some of the obvious things, or the things that stand out very quickly, is the font here on the numbering, on the date, 2021. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So let me pull up the 2021 Type 1 real quick. This is the Type 1 and Type 2. So there's the font there. And this is the new font. So it's much larger. And the mint says that the font emulates the font from 1916, so the first Walking Liberty $50. So I don't have, again, I'll do some better close-up shots. I don't have one from 1916. I do have a $50 here. I'm dropping things all over the place today. And so a lot of the enhancements, which we'll see in more detail later, are supposed to be more accurate with Adolf Weinmann's original design. This is a $50. So the main thing on this coin, obviously, is the brand new redesigned reverse. From what I've seen online and people I've talked to, I don't know of anyone who absolutely loves the new design. I feel like there's so many things that were so great about the Type 1 that it's kind of hard to beat it. But it is a pretty coin. One of the problems I have with it is my eyes are just automatically attracted to the clipped wing here. So I see the wing and then just, I think because it's the forefront, it's at the forefront of the design, and I can't not see it. And there's so many things going on here. There's so much going for this design. There's so many elements, and I personally like a busy design. So, you know, I like all the symbolism, the banner or scroll. I like the shield. I like the olive branches, which symbolize peace, and the arrows symbolize war, and the stars for the colonies. Here we just have an eagle and a branch. And then some of the lettering was shifted around. You can see that the United States is at the top here. On this one, it's off to the side. But it is what it is. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's the new design. So that's that. Again, I will be doing a more in-depth comparison video, get some nice close-up shots, and really get into detail on the new design for the 2021 Type 2 American Silver Eagle. Alrighty, let's flip them all over here. Get them nicely arranged. There you have it. Thanks for watching.